Hello friends, welcome back to Amplify Academy. Here we're trying to find the problem. That's a question based upon polynomials chapter. Question was something like this: if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial of quadratic polynomial f of x is x of x squared minus x minus 4, then you need to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. Now, if you're doing this chapter for the first time, then you might start, a subtle manner and go on to find the value of the zeros of the polynomial. So technically, you just factorize this and equate it to zero and find the zeros of it. X squared minus x minus 4 will equal to zero to find the value of the zeros. Now, in this case, can you think of any numbers when you multiply them down, you get minus 4x squared. We're trying to find out by splitting the middle term, the factors of it. And the factors of minus 4x plus such that when you add the numbers, you should get minus x. Technically, it's not possible, right? I mean, in split the middle term method, it's not possible. So what we do is, instead of doing this method, we'll do it in another way. We'll use the formulas for sum of zeros and product of zeros. But remember this, this is not always going to be like that. Depends upon question to question. Some questions you can find the values of alpha separately, beta separately, and put on the values of alpha over here, beta over here, and alpha beta over here. So that is the simpler approach I would suggest. But at some scenarios, when you are not able to find a value of alpha and beta because you're not able to factorize it, don't have to worry about it. The questions are designed to confuse you. So in such scenarios, the one which you're facing right now, we try to uh, rewrite the question. As you see, the question in front of you is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So this part, I will just rearrange the terms. How? The first and second term, I'll take the LCM of this. I'll take the LCM of this. The LCM of alpha and beta is alpha into beta. So I'll multiply this part with beta and this part with alpha. So I end up getting beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. So this is, I have rearranged the question and I have made it in this form, alpha plus beta by alpha beta minus alpha beta. So if I just find the value of this, it will be same as the given question. Okay, this is something I have to understand. This comes with practice. Sometimes the questions are designed to confuse you out. Now, let's find the value of sum of zeros and product of zeros. So sum of zeros, the formula, you should be quite aware of it by now. It is minus b by a. In this case, so alpha plus beta and minus b over here is minus of minus 1. A value is 1. So alpha plus beta is technically equal to 1. And product of zeros, formula c by a. So which is alpha into beta is equal to minus 4 by 1. So that's minus 4. Alpha beta is equal to minus 4. This is sum of zeros, that is 1. Product of zeros is minus 4. Now put it back in your uh, solution. This is the part where you simplify the question down. No? So sum of zeros we got as 1. And the product of zeros we got minus 4. Again, product of zeros we got minus 4. Minus of minus 4 becomes plus 4. So minus 1 by 4 plus 4. So I'll take the LCM of this again. So LCM of this denominator will be 16. And minus 1 plus 16, it is 15 by 16. This is going to be your answer for the given question. Thank you.